So you clicked on this video because you've heard that YouTube is changing, and you're absolutely right. But what most people don't realize is how big these changes really are. So we're talking about some of the most creator-focused updates in YouTube's history. AI tools that do the hard work for you, upgrades that make your channel look professional, and new monetization paths that finally make it easier for beginners to earn. And trust me, the final update that I'll be sharing with you in this video will completely change how videos are discovered and consumed. So stick around because you'll want to be ready for it. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but you haven't hit that upload button yet, this might be your perfect moment. Here's what we'll discover today in this video. First, the most powerful new AI tools built directly into YouTube Studio. Second, we'll look at the major updates that make your videos look stunning everywhere. And third, smarter monetization and analytics that help new creators grow faster. We'll also look at the game-changing tools for collaboration and product tagging. And finally, we'll look at YouTube's biggest shift yet. So let's dive in with the one update that's shaking things up the most right now, which is YouTube's new AI tools. YouTube's AI features are a total game changer, especially if you're just starting out. They've added an AI assistant inside YouTube Studio that helps you understand analytics, brainstorm video ideas, and even suggest better titles. When I first started my YouTube channel, I remember spending hours trying to figure out why some videos blew up while others didn't. This assistant can literally walk you through the same thing, like having a personal coach built into the platform. So you can even do the A/B testing with your titles directly into Studio, something that used to require third-party tools. So if you're torn between two headlines, YouTube is going to test them automatically and tell you which one gets more clicks. And here's something incredible. YouTube is now offering auto dubbing in multiple languages. So with AI generated lip sync, if you record in English, it can be automatically dubbed into other languages while your lips would still match. And that means your content can instantly reach viewers across the globe. For smaller creators, especially outside the English-speaking world, this could open doors that never existed before. And that's not just cool, it's actually very powerful in my opinion. Now that we've got great ideas and an AI assistant helping you plan, the next question is, how do you make your videos look amazing? That brings us to the second update. YouTube wants every creator, new or experienced, to look like a pro. They have now increased the thumbnail size limit from 2 MB to 50 MB, which means that you now can upload high quality, high resolution 4K quality thumbnails. And this is such a smart move. More and more people are watching YouTube on their TVs nowadays. So if your thumbnail looks pixelated on a 55-inch screen, people are going to skip right past it. Personally, I've always believed your thumbnail is your first impression. It's your storefront window, right? So this upgrade lets your content look crisp, cinematic, and more clickable than ever. And it gets even better. YouTube is rolling out super resolution AI, which automatically upscales older, lower quality videos into HD or even 4K. Imagine your older uploads, the ones that you might have recorded years ago, suddenly looking brand new without you even doing anything. That is huge. It's like YouTube giving your past content a fresh coat of paint, which is very good in my opinion. So once your videos look professional, how do you make sure that they perform like professionals? And that is where analytics and monetization come in. YouTube has finally listened to what small creators have been asking for years. First, they've added a new paid versus organic metrics view in YouTube Studio. This is going to help you clearly see how much of your traffic comes naturally versus through promotions or ads. So for anyone just starting out, this is gold. It shows you exactly what's working and what isn't working, so you can double down on what brings in great results for your content. Another big one, YouTube's improved likeness detection and copyright tracking. If someone re-uploads your face, your voice, or clips from your video, you'll be notified. And honestly, I love this. Smaller creators often don't have the resources to fight content theft, and this puts more control back in their hands. Plus, YouTube is expanding monetization access for smaller channels. That means you can start earning sooner without needing huge subscriber numbers or massive watch hours. I really respect this shift. It shows YouTube realizes that talent doesn't always come with big numbers. And if you've been thinking of turning your content into a side income or even a career, these updates make this path much cleaner. Now that your analytics are smarter and monetization is easier, let's talk about something that helps you grow even faster, which is collaboration. YouTube has rolled out some really exciting tools for creators to collaborate and monetize more creatively. First, there's product tagging. You can now tag specific products at moments in your video, and if someone's watching on their TV, they can scan a QR code right from the screen to buy it instantly. It is seamless for creators who do tutorial videos, reviews, or lifestyle content. This opens up new income streams, and I personally think that this is a glimpse of YouTube's future, where videos aren't just for watching, they're interactive experiences. And there's a collab feature. You can invite up to 5 creators in a single video, and each person's name and subscribe button show right on the screen. That's such a smart way to encourage collaborations without the technical hassle. And if you're a new creator, collaborating is one of the fastest ways to grow because you get exposure to each other's audiences. It's a win-win. Speaking of exposure, this new update changes how your audience experiences your videos because YouTube's now looking beyond phones and laptops. This is the biggest shift YouTube's made in years. It's moving towards TV first viewing. Billion hours of YouTube are watched on TVs every single day. So YouTube is redesigning how your channel, playlist, and videos appear on the big screen. That means better layout, smoother autoplay, and smarter recommendation. To me, this is YouTube's boldest move yet. They're not just a video platform anymore. They're competing directly with streaming giants like Netflix and Disney Plus. If you want to stand out, think of your channel like a show or a mini streaming brand. Use cinematic visuals, great sound. The thumbnails should now be bold, clean, and visible from across the room because people aren't just watching on their phones, they're sitting back on the couches and watching on the TVs as well. That's where YouTube is heading. And if you start adapting now, you'll be miles ahead of most of the creators. If these updates are already giving you new ideas for your channel, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It lets me know that you're serious about growing and that you want more videos that keep you ahead of the curve. Now let's wrap this up. All these updates that I mentioned make one thing crystal clear, that YouTube is betting big on creators, especially new creators. AI tools to make your start easier, better visuals to make you look professional, smarter analytics to help you grow faster, and monetization that kicks in sooner than ever before. Personally, I think that we're entering a new era where creativity matters more than resources. You don't need expensive gear or big team anymore. You just need ideas, consistency, and the willingness to start. So if you've been waiting for the right time to launch your channel, I think this is it. Because YouTube's biggest revolution ever was made with you being in their mind. Your time to start is now. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.